this is our ingredients, guys, for the Fiesta macaroni. Macaroni na pang Fiesta. Pinoy style. Kasagaran. Ano ba yung kasagaran? Kadalasang hinahanda kapag Pasko. Ang mga Pinoy is ganito ng mga dessert. We'll cook first the pasta, then mix together with the other ingredients. So, the water is boiling na. We'll put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of salt also, guys, for our pasta noodles. Put that. Yes. Give me the other one, Jess. You get the other one. My little helper. You say hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Jessa.
Oh, thanks for helping Nanay. So,
Wow.
what kind of move is that?
I'm telling you.
We'll cook it for 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Yes. So, slice. Is
But it's frozen.
so this the fruit cocktail already drained. Just put this, guys. Medyo marami-rami tong hinanda ko kasi may mga nag-rent nito sa house. So I will share this to them. So I will share this to the boarders. Wash my hands before I start preparing the so it's condensed milk,
Goodbye, cheese. I even drink water. I can drink.
put your plate there ba ang mga dirty refrigerator, and then